Okay, it's a new day, and what we've accomplished is I've injured myself. We've got most of the bolts out of the transmission cover, or hogshead as they call it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to loosen the clamps that go on the transmission bands. We're going to pull the starter out, and then we should be able to get this transmission cover off, and once we do that, we should be able to take the motor off of the crankcase and start putting new seals and everything. So here we go. So it's a new day, and we went and got some parts this morning. We have the hog's head off and the engine head off, which as soon as we pulled the engine head, the hog's head wanted to come right out. So that worked out. We've pulled the front two bands out of the transmission. The third one is still stuck in there until we actually lift the block up. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to take the water pump off, and then we will be ready to unbolt the block from the crankcase and lift the whole assembly up. And then we can start cleaning and putting gaskets in.
Alright, it's a new day. Yesterday we were able to accomplish a few things. We were able to, one, get this motor lifted, get the block separated from the crankcase by taking a iron rod and lifting it with this chain. Since we don't have an engine hoist, that's the best that we could do. But it was good enough to allow us to have this completely separated enough where we were able to take razor blades and scrape off the old gaskets and then clean up this surface so it's basically ready for new gaskets and seals all around. We also have the inspection cover for the crankcase off. We have that cleaned off from years of it being over tightened. It's a little bit bowed, so we're gonna have to take a hammer to that to sort that out. But other than that, everything's mostly ready for new gaskets, so hopefully we'll be able to get that done today and get the engine closed back up and get her running again. So yeah.